Good morning, guys. How are you? This morning, I'm gonna make me some coffee, and then Bill just went to work. Me and him moved one of the cages out in the barn in front of the window because I want to put the babies out there today since I got rid of that snake. There's a snake in my chicken eggs, guys. You guys need to stay away. Come here, chickie. Come here, babe. That's a pretty good one. So you guys are gonna go help me clean the barn area for the babies. And thank you guys so much for helping me clean. I appreciate it. I'm gonna make me some coffee to take out there. I got me some instant. I just use a spoonful. Like that. Then I use creamer. And then I use 3 tablespoons of sugar. Probably more, like 4. That's how it is. That's how it is. That's how it is. That's it. That's all. Let's go work. Hey guys, this is the cage that was right here. And we moved it over so that the babies could still have some sun. And I need to clean it out because it looks like they shitting everywhere. Don't drink my coffee, Kay. Okay, don't drink Mama's coffee. You guys could just watch me right there. Over there, baby. I'm not messing with it. Okay? I'm not messing with it. Right? Last night, we were in here and Bill was getting that snake. And I was being quiet and they were being quiet. And they heard my noise, or they heard my voice and they started being all loud. He's like, that either means they want you and they like you, or they don't like you. So, I'm taking it as they like me. Okay, I'm gonna put some bedding in here now. And the big ones, the brown chickens, I don't think they're gonna like it because this is where they've been sleeping. So, I think, I don't know. They could sleep on top. time bringing babies out here. What do you think about that? Okay, guys. I just need to bring their food out here and them. I got them a little water jug thing right here. Oh, I need to staple this a little bit more. See right there. My babies could get out. And maybe up there, I don't know. Right there. But they'll have their sun in the morning. And then I put a little dog crate in there. And there's a hole. And they can just go right in there. I'll close this area. And then I have their light. What are you doing? Do you guys hear my boy? That's my rooster. What are you doing, weirdo? Are you protecting her? That's a good boy. I think I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna go find some wire cutters and a stapler. I'll be right back. You know you're a boy, right? Huh? You know you're a boy, right? Weirdo. All you guys are in here making noises. Is this the time you guys are supposed to lay your eggs or what? I think that looks pretty cute. Thank you, mama girl. Okay, I'm gonna go get them. Okay, some of them are in there and he is not liking it. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the rest. Watch out. You guys go protect those babies. Hi. No, stay. And I have another stick for you guys I didn't put in there. Hi, stinker butts. You guys mad at Mom? Don't be mad at Mom, okay? You guys will like it out here. Hold on, Mom will put it in there. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think they'll like it? Dude, chill out. Jeez, Louise. He opened up their other window. But this don't. Might cut it, huh? in the little cubby, and they like to go in there and hide. Huh. What are you doing? Hi. What you doing? Come here. Hi, sweetie. Come here. It's all right. You want me to pet you? Come here, Mama, pet you. Where the other two fight behind us, huh? You guys are crazy. Huh? You guys is crazy? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. You's crazy, babies. They were over here a lot, but there's no eggs. Okay, guys. You think Mommy could leave you out here? Huh, Rico? You think Mom could leave you out here? Rico, you think Mommy could leave you out here, my baby girl? I think they're settling in just fine. I brought some more wood so that maybe the bigger chickens could come over here and roost. And then I put this right here so that, because they have a nest right there. I'm going to put these other eggs over here. If you're laying an egg, I'm sorry. I think it looks cute, guys. Hi. You coming to see what I'm doing? Are you going to get in that one? Okay. You can get in that one. I think I'm going to put this leftover stuff in that cage right there. Okay, guys, I finished with the barn. I had to go sit down for a minute. My back was hurting. I think it looks cute. I cleaned out here, so you walk in, it's nice and clean. He's still over there growling. And then the ducks have their little cubby. I kind of made them a little bit better. And I raked. And I gave them fresh water. I was going to put their food on top of here, but it's really, really heavy. What are you guys doing? Somebody was in there messing with those eggs. You guys need to leave those eggs alone. Those are not yours. What are you guys doing? And then in here, this corner, I have them another little tree and nesting area. Looks like they were already over here. Maybe I'll put that on top of there. So it don't get wet, huh, Mama girl? Yeah, so it don't get wet. Where are you guys going? You gonna go cruise the strip? Huh? You guys gonna go cruise the strip? White just got sprayed with the hose because he went and attacked the ducks again, so I sprayed his little ass with the hose. Huh, Mama's ducks. Him get you guys on. You guys don't like it. I think I'm going to put this up. I think the chickens weren't laying eggs because they knew that snake was in here. Because all of them had laid an egg today. I had 7 this morning because 1 broke. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have 9 now. So 2 of the chickens laid. Oh, what is... Hey, that's a white egg. What? So maybe those aren't. Okay, guys, I have a question with these eggs. He's wagging your tail. Yeah. I'm gonna come over here, okay? See? Pew. See how oval those are? And then, yucky, you guys stink. And then look at these ones. I really think those ones are the duck eggs. And these are the white ones. You can tell the difference. So one of the eggs, or one of the chickens that's laying this egg has laid twice. The white ones have laid twice, and this one has laid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. But will you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think about those eggs? I think I have them all in the right spots now. You guys are just too cute. Yes, you're just too cute. Huh? Do I need to bring you guys a swimming pool out here? You guys like your nest by your water. And that brown one is always with them. Always. Him's always with you guys, huh? Her takes care of you. See those eggs? Those have to be duck eggs. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. That's all I'm gonna video today. Don't forget to smile and make someone else smile. Have a wonderful day.